Technology has taken us to being able to service the customer as we've never been able to.
We get challenged every day with something new, something that we've not seen before.
Job site labor is getting tougher and tougher. The more that we can do in a factory setting is being sought after.
One thing's for sure, starting with the architect all the way through the builder and the dealer, they all want it faster, faster than ever.
The ability for Koetter Woodworking to get a custom product to market, literally sometimes, is only hours.
No longer are the dealers actually carrying large amounts of inventory as they did in years past. They want to order what they need and have it delivered when they need it. With over 200,000 square feet of stocking inventory, we're able to pull orders, process, and have material loaded on our trucks and out the door, oftentimes within 24 to 48 hours.
The trucks are a vital part because of our on-time scheduling delivery.
We feel like our fleet is a reflection on the company, on the family.
It's a beautiful sight seeing all the trucks lined up and loaded for delivery. And we're very proud of our fleet and drivers.
The team that it takes today is a different team than we had 5 years ago in operating our equipment. We are migrating towards less of a laborer and more of a technician.
It's crazy to think that at one time it took a couple of hours to set up a machine. We've taken that time from 2 hours down to minutes.
On our profile milling, the process starts with a request from a given customer that typically has an architect's fingerprints on it.
We wanted to provide a tool to the architects to make it easier for them when creating various molding combinations, specifying products. The layout designer gives the user the ability to go in and select a group of profiles and actually create a mock-up. We know that creative process can be challenging, and Envision It is a tool that puts that creativity right at the architect's fingertips.
It's not just in the mold departments, it's currently now into our scanning with the lumber, our scanning on chopping material quickly and accurately. We are dependent on the technology that Weinig brings to the table. It has set ourselves apart. The support that Weinig gives us and them understanding that we have to have this has really, I think, brought both Koetter Woodworking and Weinig to where we are. As the world becomes more time sensitive for things to happen quickly and accurately, we want to see if we have a place to fit into those challenges.
It's amazing to see where we came from and where we're at today. Mom and Dad taught us to lead and manage with humility, and would like to continue in our growth of developing people. We now have 325 team members.
It does feel like a family business. Many times folks have really came from just across the field to come and work with us and have stayed for years and years, decades in fact.
Technology is important. I mean, it's crucial to our success. but the most important thing is the people.